But it's so crazy. I'm looking for some blazers, spring stuff. These are some cute pajamas. Let's see what they get. I want. I really be looking for like the real vintage stuff, the great quality things. And sometimes I think that they don't have that stuff anymore, or I'm just not going to the right places. Because I remember when I used to thrift back in, oh my gosh, I think it was like back in 2013. No, it had to be before then because it was before I even came to Atlanta. I was thrifting like right out of high school. This is cute. I might be getting this. I have to try it on first to make sure it looks good. But I was thrifting right out of high school because my mom put me onto thrifting. And hunty, I used to get all kind of vintage stuff, like great quality stuff, amazing things. Exclusive stuff, especially a lot of designer things as well, which was crazy. I've been looking for me a black blazer, but I've been trying to make sure that I have the right one, like the perfect one. I've really been trying to look for one that is a satin-like material. I mean, but hey, if it's great quality, then I'll get it. I don't know. I like this one better. This one looks more polished and chic. This one, it's alright. So we're gonna go with this one. Trying to see if I like this jacket. Do I like this? It's classy, very classy. I don't know. Okay, we got. What is this? What kind of jacket is this? This is cute though. I might be putting this in my buggy. Because I want to see some people wear animal print that is not leopard or not cheetah print. There's more animals in the safari, and I think this is cute. I have to try it on and see how it fits me. And if I like it. I need some spring blazers. Oh, this is a beautiful color. This is beautiful. I'll try that on too. Ooh, oh, this is cute. Girl, I might have to make the skirt a little bit different, but this jacket is bomb. Look at that. I might still, oh, child, oh, girl. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, this is cute too, but got a little stain on it. Oh, well, this is a dress, an oversized blazer dress. I might need to try. Oh, girl, this is cute, but it's like woolly. Yep, 100% wool. This is cute. I like the print. Oh, this is cute. That color. I should have went to Goodwill too. I'm trying to see if I want to go. These are different. But they gotta be an extra. Why they have to be extra large? This would have been cute, but it's rested out. These are cute. What is this? I need to know what it is because if it ain't linen, then I'm gonna take it. 15% linen. Girl. Yeah, we may not be in that. What is this? I'm so sick of this. Probably only get one thing. Put that belt down. This is cute. I wonder if I can wear these. I don't know what size I am at this point because my size just fluctuates too often. And my waist is not that small. I don't know if my waist is small, baby. But these are nice. Ooh. Okay, I need to be snagging these. I want to find me a polka dot top. This is nice, huh? Like, girl, because you might be linen 100%, and you are. And you're small. This is a nice shirt. Thought I could do something with it, but no. Not even about to pressure it. I really want to try this on because I need to know what that's hitting like before I put it. I actually buy it. I love the jacket though. This blazer look like I'm gonna be snatched, but I need to try it on first. I don't know if I want this or not. I know for sure I'm getting this blazer. I want a windbreaker. I was looking online, scrolling to see if I could find a windbreaker online, but I'm like, I want something exclusive. And this is cool. Give us something that has like teens, jerseys, like something vintage for real, for real. Beautiful spring coat. Will Smith. Like, what? Who is buying their clothes? I don't want any more snake skin. I don't want any more leopard or cheetah. Let's move on from that. I'm sick of it. I really like this, but I don't know, girl. And then I don't like second guessing stuff because they won't be there later. I don't know. I'm gonna sit you out to the side, Susie. See, I can even wear this linen blouse with these leather shorts and give it a look. Y'all. Let me go on the other side because I did see some silver strappy heels and I'm like, I have no silver heels and that's one thing I'm missing in my closet. These, but no, see, I'll just go on Amazon. They scuffed up too, but they're not my size. Oh, my bad. Look at these. Darn. I'm so clumsy. This store is so disorganized. That's one thing I can't say. Let me go in the home decor section. They had this cute antique mirror, and I wish I would have got it when I first seen it. I'm so sad about it. It was so big and cute. And I was like, too tired or really lazy to come back to get it. But it would have went so perfect in my closet. Girl, I forgot I'm filming. Lord Jesus. Yeah, this is it. This is it. I really should have went to Goodwill. So I would have at least found some fabric as well. bags they got. After this, I am done, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But they have furniture in here too, like bedding, new stuff, new bedding. Couches. Ah, no. This is cute. Okay. What size is it? I don't know if I can wear that though. Potentially. Girl, what is this? Do you wear this like to a beach or something? That is cute. Oh, this will actually go really cute with my ballerina heels and my ballerina flats. But if it's a crop, I don't like it. No. This is pretty. It's like an iridescent fabric. I would have never thought of peanut butter and purple together. I know I can find me a cute rugby striped shirt. Top. This is so whimsical. It's so cute though. But that looks huge. What size is this? It's a medium. It's beautiful. Just don't know how it actually is supposed to lay on the body. Ooh. See, girl, I spent my whole hours in here. I need to get up out of here. It's my problem. Being in here for hours. Good thing the mic still ain't went out though. We're doing good. Kudos to us. This is cute. But that look like it's cute too. This is cute. I'm gonna put you in the car, girlfriend. And we're gonna see what you hit like as a potential. This is pretty too. Do I like this one better? Since it's timeless. I'm trying to make this out because this seems cute. But I'm trying to make it out to be, trying to figure it out. This is pretty too. Alright, I'll see y'all in the next video, and that will be the try on portion of this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.